Ngiyaphila. Uvuyokazi engikhuluma naye?
Uvuyokazi.
Wevuyokazi ukhuluma noma kaXolani from eThekwini. Xolani Sabelo, your ex-fiance.
Oh.
Yes, Mama. We are talking and I think we are in talking terms njengamanje. So I wanted to find out what's going on, Jay, about everything. I did get his sign regarding you and him.
Oh, okay, I must say I'm shocked that you actually called me.
Yes, I've called you because akukuningi engifuna ukukhuluma nawe. The only thing engifuna ukuyithola ukuthi it did told me izinto eziningi. Fine. Not exactly ukuthi I want to get your side of the story. I think I understand what's going on. Okay, after everything that's been happening, I know there's been some exchange of imali, you and him. So ungisendele ama-screenshots of the monies that he was sending to you. And ungisendelele ama-voice notes of him and your mom ukuthi uma wakho is not going to pay any monies to him. All I'm asking, khona this 60,000 I'll send her on the 10th of October. Then I want clarity about that money. I want to know what was it for, and I want that money back. If ukuthi angiyitholi clarity about it, ukuthi what was going on.
Well, he has the money. I also have screenshots. It never came through to me. And it got stuck where it got stuck. So okay. I don't have it 60K. And so that's it.
Eyamalobola, which is how much?
28K, if I'm not mistaken.
28K. And when is he getting that money back? He doesn't deserve it because?
Yeah. Whatever that you try to tell me, I think you should call my parents or whoever because I'm just based on that, and I don't even know what Kola is trying to start, but I don't know.
But do you know what we have proof or what most of the things that was happening, you were the one who was pestering him or what afanimal. And we've got proof. Abazali bakho wena ubatshelile about that. About anything nje wawuyifuna about money, ungisendelile everything. If you wanted money, and I've got proof ukuthi sometimes kunemali nje that ezingenamsebenzi ebezihamba nje like 5K imali lade sibona futhi. How much was it? 2,000. Isn't there esingazi ukuthi what was that money for?
Or 4,000.
Or 4,000.
Was I the one asking him to send me those monies, or was he sending it?
Yes, we've got proof nje njalo yokuthi leyo mali isuke ifakelwa for what?
What's the problem? What's the problem?
The problem is that what was that money for, and I want that money back.
To spoil myself.
To spoil yourself? For what, sis? No, imanozip, no. Angifuna ukuthi abone ukuthi ena no. Angizwanga sis.
Sanibonani molweni ndinamkela kwesasithiveni ngesixhosa. Yo guys, uvuyokazi hayi ngathi uncedakele abe uphumile kulanda lamtshato, otherwise udibene nezikema zodwa. Ngumama ngapha ngunyana ngapha. Besigqibele lo mama engavani nonyana yakhe sebephinde ba right nini ngoku. Njema ngoku sekuqala ukuba avanwa ngento ba ngoku kucaba kuze kuvanwe kulamzi kufuneka kuvanwe ngegama lomuntu. So umuntu ebekuzodlalwa ngaye ke ngoku leligama likavuyokazi bayavana ke ngoku. Kufunwa i-28,000 yelobola. Kufuna i-60,000 yathunyelwayo, but ke uvuyokazi yayitsho into bi-60,000 yona ayizange idifike kwakuye. Inoba yenye yemali ezifana nezimali ukuthi uxolani bekubantu kusithiwa nangu wathumela i-proof of payment ebantwini shuthi naye beke wamqala wamenza loo nto leyo. Hayibo lo mama zange abe nayo indoda yena guys imphi imali njengoba nga-understand into yoba wayephiwe imali uVuyokazi for uba spoil. Ubuza into yoba yimali yokwenzani, uhlanganaphi, kuthiwa akasatshadanga noXolani. Ewe akatshadanga naye but le mali ekuthethwa ngayo yimali ebeyifumana ngoku bebesatshadile kaloku. Yho, ininzi idrama lapha eyenzeke within 3 months. Imali engenziwa nguVuyokazi ngoku-exposa uXolani nangoku-exposa lo mama osemfuna imali engaka kwaba-YouTube, hayi angayiwola mntakabawo. Qha ke ngoku akaveli nakwenye indawo, akho nomntu ombizayo inoba akavume nokwezi interviews aze azothetha ngejeni yakhe kwaMseleku, ngejeni yakhe kwaSabelo. Ininzi into esingayifumana if ebenoza azothetha. Nangalo mamazala lo siyazifuna iindaba zakhe. Kutheni engazisana into yoba umfazi uba ne-allowance endodeni yakhe? Kutheni engayazi loo nto leyo? Limele laa Xolani noba angathumele yiphi into ngoku ngeke siyibhilive noba akayifojanga na. Noba uVuyokazi ebemfuna imali noba ebemkrwitsha xa efuna ezi mali ngeke sibhilive neyokuqala ngoba limenemene. Kutheni ezokutshuza umamakhe ngoku xa efuna uexposa uVuyokazi ngolu hlobo? Ekubeni inguye ke phofu umntu owenza i-flop wafowunela ubaby mama egeza ngoVuyokazi. So namhlanje ubhizi ufowunela unina. Hayi suka, ubathuke kancinci ingase angaqhubeka bathuke. Enkosi, ngicela siqhubeke, subscribe, silike, singakhomenta futhi. Bye.